Mille-Feuille Hot Pot is a comforting Japanese hot pot made by layering Napa cabbage and thinly sliced pork belly to resemble the delicate layers of the French pastry mille-feuille. With its beautiful neatly stacked layers, this dish is as eye-catching as it is delicious. First, cut off the bottom of the Napa cabbage and remove the leaves, and rinse and dry them. Place one leaf of Napa cabbage on a work surface and top with a couple of thinly sliced pork belly. Place another leaf on top and repeat this layering process 5 times. Fat from pork belly adds richness and flavor to the broth and keep the meat tender and juicy. If you prefer something leaner, you can use pork loin instead. Finish with a cabbage leaf on top and cut the stacked cabbage and pork into 2-inch width. Arrange the cut cabbage and pork in a pot, cut side up. Start from the outside and work your way in. The amount of cabbage and pork to use depends on the size of the pot. You want them to be snugly to keep the shape. Combine the dashi broth, salt, soy sauce, and sake. Pour the seasoned broth to the pot over cabbage and pork. Cook at medium-high heat. When it begins to gently simmer, cover with a lid and cook over medium-low for 10 minutes. You can eat this as it is or dip in a ponzu sauce. Simple ingredients come together to create a deeply satisfying meal, making it the perfect way to warm up during the cold month.
美味しい。美味しいね。